Good morning, all of you. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss our exercise 9.5. So, the first question, first part they are given, we have to find the integration of dx by x square plus 4x plus 7. Okay, so in this case, what we have to do? First of all, we'll make the coefficient of x square as 1. We have to do this first step. But here already they have given us 1. So half of our work is over. Okay. Now what was our next step? Our next step was to add and subtract the square of half of the coefficient of x. Okay, so that means what? It was given to us. What is the half of coefficient of x? It is 2. So square of 2 will be added as well as subtracted. Okay, so now x square plus 4x plus square of 2 makes a complete square. So we'll sum up them. It will be x plus 2 whole square, and then remaining will be plus 7 minus 4. So this will be what? It will be dx by x plus 2 whole square plus root 3 whole square. 3 can be written in this way. Okay, and we need squares in denominator. So this will be there. Okay, so now we will use this formula that we have studied in fourth exercise. Okay, and what was that? Now it is what? It is integration of dx by, suppose it is our x, it is our a. So it is x square plus a square. So this is what? It is 1 by a. A is root 3 into tangent inverse x by a. X is x plus 2 by root 3 plus c, and it's our answer. Okay. So similarly all the 4 parts can be solved, but now I am solving part number 4 of this question, and that is integration of dx by 3x square plus 13x minus 10. Okay, so first of all we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So I will take 3 common from here. What I will get? I will get x square plus 13 by 3x minus 10 by 3. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So what will be our next step? We will add and subtract the square of half the square of coefficient of x. So it is the coefficient of x, 13 by 3. What will be its half? It will be 13 by 6. So that means the remaining part will be as it is, x square plus 13 by 3x, and we will add 13 by 6 whole square. Okay, and subtract 13 by 3 whole square. Okay, so again this is making a complete square. So we will add some of these. What I will get? I will get dx by, it will be x plus 13 by 6 whole square, and this will be minus 10 by 3 and minus, sorry, here will be 6, and what we will get here, we will get 139 by 36, 169, sorry. Okay, so we can add this. What will be our next step? We will get 1 by 3 integration of dx by x plus 13 by 6 remains as it is, and this will be, first of all we will take LCM will be 36, so this will be 3 12 12 10 120, okay, and plus, okay, we can suppose this, that here we have taken minus common and we are adding it, and 169, okay. So what we are going to get, we will get as dx by x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus, what will be this, it will be 289 by 36, okay. And now what can I write in place of 289? It is the square of 70. So my question will be now 1 by 3 integration of dx by x plus 13 by 6, or suppose you can say 36 here, 6. This whole square minus 289 by 36. Okay. And in place of this I can write as 17 by 6 whole square. So my question will be 1 by 3 into integration of dx by 6x plus 13 by 6x 6 square minus 17 by 6 whole square. Now suppose it is x, it is a. We get the formula of integration of dx by x square minus a square, and we know this formula we will get it as 1 by 3 as it is. Now we will use its formula, so that will be into 1 by 2a. What is a here? Here our a is 17 by 6. Okay, into log of x minus a. X is 6x plus 13 by 6 minus 17 by 6 divided by 6x plus 13 by 6 plus 17 by 6 plus c. Okay, just now we have to simplify this. So this will be 1 by 17 log of, here first of all we will take LCM. LCM will be 6. 6x plus 13 minus 17. Here 6x plus 13 plus 17 by 6 we will get plus c. This 6 will cancel it. So what are we going to get at last? At last we will get 1 by 17 log of 6x minus 4 by 6x plus 13. Okay. If you want, you can simplify it further by taking 2 common from numerator and denominator and then making it. Okay. So we will get 1 by 17 as it is log of, after taking 2 common from numerator and denominator, what we are going to get is 3x minus 2 in numerator by, and in denominator 3x plus 15 plus C. It's your answer. Okay, so in this way these questions can be solved. So in next question number 2, what we have to do is we have to replace the denominator by t and make it our question simpler. So I am solving one part of it, which I can solve is third part. Okay, so I am solving second question, third part. It has already come in all India CBSE 2003. So this question is x by x raised to power 4 minus x square plus 1 dx. So what we can do is we can put x square as t, put x square equal to t. So what I will get is 2x dx equal to dt. X dx is my numerator, so I got its value. This will be x dx equal to dt by 2. So my question will, now what I will get? It will be 1 by 2 outside, dt by, now x raised to power 4. X raised to power 4 can be written as square of x square. But my x square is t, so square of t minus t plus 1. Okay, this is my question. Now what is the next step? I am going to add and subtract the square of half the coefficient of t. So what I will get is dt by t square minus t. What is the half of 1? 1 by 2. So I will add 1 by 2 square plus 1 and subtract 1 by 2 square. So my question will be 1 by 2 as it is, dt by t square minus t plus 1 by 2. It has become a formula of t minus 1 by 2 whole square, and outside what we will get? We will get plus 1 minus 1 by 4. So my question will be 1 by 2 integration of dt by 2t minus 1 by 2 whole square, and I will get 3 by 4 here. Further, I think you are able to solve. No need to explain further. Okay. Now, so third question will be solved in the way that we have learned that we are going to write the numerator as a into d by dx of our denominator plus b. Okay, so first question of third question, first part, it is x by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, so we will put x equal to a into differentiation of x square plus x plus 1 plus b. Okay, so it will be x equal to a into differentiation of x square will be 2x, of x will be 1 plus b. Okay, now x will be equal to 2x into a plus b. Okay, now you can see that we can equate these two because both of them has variable x. So x will be equal to 2x into a. X will cancel it, so that means value of a will be 1 by 2. Okay, and what will be this? I can write a plus b equal to 0 because there is nothing else except x in the numerator. So we know here the value of a and we can find the value of b. So b will be minus a, that means minus 1 by 2. So that means what? We can write x as 1 by 2 of 2x plus 1 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so that means our question will be now 1 by 2 outside 2x plus 1 dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, only this was the difference between the first two questions and this question. We have to just do it. Further, it is same. This will be 1 by 2 of log of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, minus 1 by 2 dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, this you can solve by the method that we have discussed. And how this came, you have to put x square plus x plus 1 equal to t and then do its differentiation. Of course you will get it. So what is the integration of dt by t? It is log of t, so we get it. Okay, so further you can solve it. We can try one more question, okay, to understand it better. So see the fourth part. It is given integration of 2x plus 1 by 18 minus 4x minus x square dx. Okay, so here again we will put 2x plus 1 equal to a into differentiation of 18 minus 4x minus x square plus b. So 2x plus 1 will be equal to a into differentiation of 18 will be 0 because it is a constant, of minus 4x will be minus 4 and minus x square will be minus 2x plus b. So that means what? I can write 2x equal to minus 2x into a. Okay, so 2x will cancel 2x, a will be equal to what? Minus 1. Okay, and 1 will be equal to what? 1 will be equal to minus 4a plus b. Now we know the value of a, it is minus 1, so 1 will be equal to minus 4 into minus 1 will be 4 plus b. That means b is equal to minus 3. Okay, we have got the value of a and b. So what is that? We can write 2x plus 1 as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 4 minus 2x plus minus 3. Okay, so now our question will be minus 4x minus 2x minus 4 minus 3 divided by 18 minus 4x minus x square dx. Okay, now we can split it. We will get minus taking common, or we cannot take, no need to take, 4 minus 2x divided by 18 minus 4x minus x square dx. Differentiation of this, minus 3 into differentiation of 18 minus 4x minus x square. Okay, this you can solve in the way that we have learned. Okay, and this will be equal to log of 18 minus 4x minus x square. Okay, plus minus 3 into this you can solve. Okay, in this way you can solve the question number 3. And fourth question is very easy. First of all, just you have to multiply. So divide. We can try one question. Fourth question, suppose we are solving first part only. It is given x square divided by x square plus 6x plus 12 dx. So this is there. We are going to divide the numerator by denominator. Okay, we can try solving it here. So x square divided by x square plus 6x plus 12. So 1. So what we will get? X square plus 6x plus 12. We will multiply it by 1. We will get it. So now signs will be changed. So this will be cancelled, and what we will get? Minus 6x minus 12. So that means I can write it as 1 minus 6x plus 12 by x square plus 6x plus 12 dx. Okay, its differentiation is easy. It will be just x. Now minus 6 taking common from here, 6 will get x plus 2 by x square plus 6x plus 12 dx. Now it is just like question number 3. Okay, so in this way you can solve this exercise. Okay, if you have any problem, then you can send on WhatsApp. Those problems will be solved in the next lecture. Otherwise, we are going to start our next exercise in the next lecture. Okay, thank you all of you.